Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to switch things up just a little bit, and I wanted to share a super quick and super easy DIY project with you ladies, showing exactly how I created these folders for my classic and mini happy planners. Kind of what got me thinking about this project actually is that when I got Trendsetter, I wasn't able to get my hands on the folders, and I had a folder in here, and this is the one that I had in here, and to me it just didn't really match. It didn't coordinate enough to my liking. I really wanted something that would coordinate a little better color wise, and so I thought, like, well, hey, I'm pretty sure I could easily make my own folder that'll coordinate much better with Trendsetter. And so yeah, that's kind of where I got the idea for creating these from. This is why I wanted to create these folders, and just kind of do my own thing so that I would have something that would coordinate and just match a lot better with Trendsetter. So yeah, if you want to see how I created these folders, and I promise you it's super quick, super easy, very inexpensive, I'll show you just that. Keep on watching. So things you'll need for this DIY project are 12 by 12 cardstock paper and the colors that you want to use, scissors and running tape, a pencil, your happy planner punch, and this is in the classic size. And to embellish and kind of help decorate my folders, I'm also using this 12 by 12 MAMBI Scrapbook Kit. And if you look at this kit and compare it to Trendsetter, it looks the exact same. Like, this looks like the scrapbook kit of Trendsetter. So let's get started with this super quick, super easy DIY project. Alright ladies, so the first step is just to take your folder, and then we're going to lay it right on top of our cardstock paper and just line up the bottom and side edge. And you're just going to take your pencil and trace your other two free edges of your folder. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 sheets at a time. And next you're just going to go ahead and cut. And you can also use a cutting tool if you have one. That'd be a little bit quicker. And next for the pocket, let's go ahead and line this up, and then I'm just going to go ahead and mark off the section I want to cut off, and about right here should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that edge off next. So taking my happy planner folder, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of mark here where the top corner of the pocket falls, so that way I can go ahead and cut this down. And I'll use my cutting tool here, and I would use my cutting tool to actually cut this down, but as you can see, the cutting piece, it actually popped off. I think it fell and that piece broke off. So yeah, you can easily just freestyle this with scissors like I'm doing though, or you can use your cutting tool. That will be quicker and a little bit easier. Alright, so got that. And then next I'm just gonna cut off a triangular corner. We'll just cut the corner off here. little mark there. Actually, I have it off, so I'll mark from here to here. Cut that off. And bam, there is your pocket. Alright, and just to see how to create the pockets again, I'll show you that once more. Alright, so now that we have our pockets for our folder, we're just going to take our tape runner and run it along the bottom and both sides. Oops. And go ahead and line that up to our right edge. Make sure it's even before you press it down, and then you go ahead and press that down. And for the back of your folder, we'll go ahead and do the exact same thing. Run your tape runner along the bottom and both sides. Alright, and then line up your edges. And press down. And there is your folder. And so next what we'll do is just decorate and just kind of embellish our folder just to kind of further customize it. And so I'm gonna show you guys this. Again, it's the MAMBI 12x12 scrapbook kit, and so I'll show you guys everything that's in here. And I'll first flip to the back. And so, okay, the package contains 12 12x12 papers, 93 stickers, 6 soft spoken pieces, and 11 chipboard pieces. So let me open this up. Alright, so first I'll show you the stickers that are included, or rather, actually I'll go ahead and show you the chipboard. So these are the chipboard pieces, and these are all so super cute. I love this hip hip hooray, and I'll let you see how the back has like the foam sticker on the back so that they'll be raised. And here's the other sheet. I love this joyful and do more of what makes you happy. Those are cute. And like I said, if this is just literally Trendsetter in a scrapbook kit. And here's the stickers. Super cute. Alright, and then we've got some matte stickers here. Alright, so that's all the stickers included there. And then these are the paper. You can see that. Here's that one. These are thin because, you know, it's actually scrapbook paper. Do more of what makes you happy. Look at that. Hip hip hooray. So pretty. Got your polka dots. More polka dots. And this is cute. One Happy Life. I love this sheet. And there's that one. And there's two sheets that are missing because I was kind of messing around using these to just try and test out this project actually, to make sure it worked like I thought it would. And it's, I believe, let's see, that sheet with the gold polka dots and then the black and white stripes. So those are the two that are missing that I've already used. So that's that. And so I'm not going to use any of the scrapbook paper, but I will be using the stickers and some of the chipboard pieces to decorate my folder. And I have to really look at these to see. I know I want to use the joyful sticker and I think I want to do the do more of what makes you happy as well, because yeah, that looks like it'll fit right on the edge there. Look how pretty this folder turned out and how it's just customized to the exact colors that I want, and it's perfect for Trendsetter. I'm going to actually replace this folder with the one that I made. And how cute is that? So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys plan on making your own custom folder, especially if you weren't able to find folders to match, like if you got anything from the Happy Planner girl line, or even any of your other Happy Planners that you don't have coordinating folders for. You know, you can easily create your own. And of course, this is not as thick as the Happy Planner folder, but you know, it'll definitely work. You'll probably end up having to replace it maybe, and you might even want to laminate this. That would make it definitely a lot more durable and longer lasting. But yeah, let me know if you plan on creating your own folder, and if so, definitely feel free to tag me on here or message me or tag me on Instagram if you make one and do a picture of it. Tag me at the distressed mom _. So yeah, love this folder that I created. Super easy, super quick project. And yeah, ladies, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a happy and well-planned week.